Hello, welcome to the Keyword Calculator. This is a tool that will help you prioritize keywords, and it'll help you see a number of metrics in one spot when doing keyword research. So it's one piece of your keyword research tool belt, but by no means is it perfect. You still need the gut check. You still need that human element, but this will help you see a number of metrics in one spot and also use a weighted scoring system to prioritize keywords. So let me show you around the tool. The first tab you'll see when you open the tool is this Keyword Calculator tab. This is where the bulk of the work happens, and this is where the ranking of the keywords happen. Just to let you know, the version you're looking at, it's got a somewhat limited functionality. We've limited it to 50 keywords, which is still useful um, if you've got a set of keywords that you'd like to compare. But we've limited it to 50, and we've also not including our proprietary score. So those are available if you're going to take our launch SEO Launchpad training, which you can get more information about on this lower tab. So, but anyways, to show you this, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to import your data. So there's a few bits of data we need, and they're going to go into this data tab. If once you know the 50 keywords that you want to compare, you would run them through Google AdWords Keyword Tool. You'd run them through whatever rank checker program you use, and then you'd run them through Word Tracker. So the same 50 keywords, you can run them through all three tools. Paste the data into these columns. Make sure that that you've got the right content under each column, so you have the keyword in the right column and the rank in the right column, and for these ones the same. And then this last bit right here, this is the analytics data, and that there's no limit on that. Well, there's the limit that the Excel has, so 60,000 keywords, but or 60,000 rows. So just paste all your analytics data into these columns. And then you can leave this analytics data in there, and if you want to try other sets of keywords for other parts of your site, you can just swap out those keywords for in these other columns. So going back to the Keyword Calculator tab, this first, down here, the data overview. This will pull in all the pieces from that data that you've imported. So you'll see your 50 keywords, and you'll see all the different metrics. And this is helpful if you want to sort by a few different things. First, sort by conversions, for example, and then sort by current position, that kind of thing. But just having all the data in one place can be really helpful. And then what we've got is we've got this score. We've got this proprietary score, and we rank the keywords based on that score. So what this score is driven off of is these weighted scores and then the scoring criteria. So for each of these metrics, search volume, current traffic, conversion rate, your current position, Word Tracker competition, and Google AdWords Keyword Tool competition, you can assign a weight for each of these, and it will change all these. The reason we give you all the functionality to change these is because depending on the type of keywords you're looking at, or the strength of your site, or the type of conversions you're getting, you're going to want to change both the weighted score and the scoring criteria. So the weighted score just says how important is potential search volume relative to these other things. So some of these will be less important than others, like you might want to make that one 5, but you can change it, and what will happen is, depending on how you change the weights, it'll change the order of your top 20 keywords. The scoring criteria basically says what value do we have to have in order for it to be considered very good or average. So you can change these depending on your conversion rate. So if for your site, a 3% conversion rate is really good, then you'll make that 3 and maybe make this one 2 and so forth. So that gives you an idea of how to use this this tool. If you've got more questions, or if you want to know how you can apply it to your site, because there are definitely different variables that will affect how you can use this tool, and don't forget, this is just to supplement. This is to help you out if you need something to help distinguish between keywords. It'll give you a good starting spot, and then you look at the search results, and then you look at who else is ranking, and how appropriate the keywords are, those sorts of things. So but those are the whole process that we go through is all covered in the SEO Launchpad. And if you want more information on that, or on how to use this tool, I would suggest you look at the SEO Launchpad training, or send us an email. Any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks.